Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2008 ML Mitsubishi Triton GLX-R. This shape ran from the 7th month 2006 to the 8th month 2009. This vehicle sustained damage to the rear. This vehicle is fitted with a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, right hand fog lamp, left hand headlight, left hand fog lamp, tidy front bumper cover with nudge bar, left hand front guard appears to have no damage. Left hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the left rear door. Left hand tail light. Tailgate. Rear bumper with step. It's tow bar. Right hand tail light. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right hand power door mirror, the left hand power door mirror. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, automatic transmission gear lever, factory single stack CD player, factory AC controls, interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy interior courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right hand sun visor, has an automatic transmission instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.